If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with AFib, you're likely asking, what are my treatment options? There are a range of advanced, often non-surgical treatments to restore your heart rhythm and protect your health. Your treatment approach should be tailored to you. It often starts with medication, like blood thinners to prevent stroke or drugs to regulate your heart rate. For many, minimally invasive procedures offer lasting relief. Technologies like ablation precisely target the source of irregular heartbeats. Pulse field ablation, or PFA, is an FDA-approved type of ablative therapy to treat atrial fibrillation. Unlike the traditional technology, which uses hot or cold energy to create tiny scars in the heart tissue, it uses electrical pulses to adjust the misfiring heart tissues in the left upper chamber of the heart, or left atrium. And finally, device therapy provides ongoing rhythm control. Think pacemakers for steady beats or innovative left atrial appendage closure devices, which dramatically reduce stroke risk by preventing clot formation. If you have additional questions about the types of treatment, contact your healthcare provider.